Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I am just popping on here for a quick intro because I filmed this little video for a tutorial on Instagram, but I thought I wanted to share it with you all because it is so cool. Which, by the way, if you are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna link it somewhere around the screen for you, but please go ahead and follow me on Instagram for daily inspo and more little tutorials like this. But I'm super excited to share this with you. I'm actually making some Pom-Pom pumpkins, as you can see up here on my mantle, and I cannot wait to show you exactly how I made them. Also, I have a new video coming out this weekend, hopefully, fingers crossed, on how I made this whole fireplace, and you are not gonna wanna miss that. So stay tuned, and without further ado, let's just jump into this video. Mwah! For this project, I'm using yarn, whatever colors you want, air dry clay, a baking sheet, hot glue, gold leaf or acrylic paint, and scissors. Start by wrapping the yarn around the baking sheet as many times as you want to. There's no specific number that I did. I just created a bundle of yarn and I overlapped my yarns using different colors and different textures because this is what's going to give your pom-pom dimension. Once you reach the desired thickness of the bundle, go ahead and combine both of them by cutting one side and then very carefully cutting the other one. Remove the tray from the middle and combine these two bundles together. Grab an extra piece of yarn so you can tie it through the middle, and if it's not staying in place, use a little bit of hot glue to keep it in place because you don't want it coming undone. Create as many pom-poms as you want by combining as much yarn and as many colors as you desired, and you can also rotate your tray so it'll give you a larger pom-pom. To create the stems, I'm using air dry clay and I'm shaping it to the way I think a stem looks like and giving it a wooden texture by scraping some lines on it using a plastic yarn needle. After letting the little stems dry for about 48 hours or until they turn completely white, I then painted them using gold leaf. However, if you don't have gold leaf, you can use acrylic paint. And then I realized they were too shiny, so I went back and painted them with a little bit of watered down brown acrylic paint just to get rid of the sheen and wiped it off using a paper towel. And voila! Okay friends, I hope you love that DIY. I am obsessed with how these little pumpkins turned out. Again, if you are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and check it out. It is yarozuarich on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it. Please take care of yourself, take care of those around you. Happy fall, and don't forget, the journey is what brings us happiness, not the destination. I love you. See you on the next one. Bye. She just came to say hi, and bye.